Alright YouTube, what's going on? Train Guy Key20 here filming Halton Subdivision. It's been a while since I filmed. We're at Bramley GO Station. First time filming Bramley. We got a freight train coming in. I believe this is mile 13.3 or 12.3. I have no idea. I normally fill at mile 8.8 at Goderich, but where I work right here, so I got the Bramley. I think this is Goderich. Train that goes into Goderich. Track 1. This is a train to Goderich. Goderich train. Look at that Southern Pacific EX 3054. 3054. Hey! At 3394. Gotta love that horn. EX Southern Pacific Goderich train. Potash. Look at those logs. Until next time, we are gonna wait for 422 and 148 before 3 o'clock, hopefully. Today's date is the 11th of December 2015 and 1 o'clock. That train came in at 103, 104. 103, 104, Goderich train. Stay tuned for more.